Alright guys, it's all about the brain camps here, and as you can tell from the title of the video, today we're going to be talking about how much money I make on YouTube, being a small YouTuber account with only 1,700 subscribers. Now, when I first started making money, I didn't have 1,700 subscribers, obviously, but the subscriber count actually does not affect any of your money if you're just getting ad revenue. So after you hit 1,000 and become monetized, your subscriber account don't affect nothing. But I mean, if you're a big channel like Mr. Beast, I'm sure they pay higher ad revenue to be on it, make sure he's on his channel, because he gets tens of millions of views every time he drops a video. But for smaller YouTubers, it's all about the views. So you get paid by the ads on your videos. So every video is different. Then of course, not everybody watches your full video or don't watches the ads. So you got different videos, make more money by that. And then also, one thing I did learn is right before Christmas, ad revenue's a lot higher, and right after Christmas, it's way lower. I'll show you that on my graphs that I got screenshotted for you, and we'll go over all my money. So just know that every YouTuber and the type of videos you make matter too. Like if you're talking about money or how to do things, those get the highest ad revenue, because like if you're doing a how to do video, there's people that want to put their ads on there on what you're doing, like to try to sell their products. So they pay higher ad revenue for that. For me, I mainly do my kids' sports, so we don't really get that high ad revenue on that. And then also, I don't really talk about money too much on this channel, so it's a low ad revenue there because I don't talk about money. So this video should actually make more money than my other regular videos, if that makes sense. All right, so we'll talk about one of our videos that get the most views. Like out of our top 10 videos, there's a whole bunch of them. Wrestling videos. It's low ad revenue because it's just entertainment. You know what I mean? It's just my kids wrestling, which we haven't done one in like 3 months, but they get the most views. And I've only made a couple of them since I've gotten paid, so I can break that down for you. My top video is like 34,000 views, but we had like 20,000 of those views before we became monetized. That's what actually helped me with my getting the 4,000 viewing hours, was that video, because it was our top video. We had a couple other wrestling videos doing all right, but my tag team wrestling video that I did, it's like right at 11,000, 12,000 views. I don't know, I have to look, but I'll show you exactly how much money that's made out of those 11 to 12,000 views. But like I said, it's lower ad revenue for what we talk about. And then also, don't forget, right before Christmas, ad revenue is higher. And right after Christmas, it dips down. That's why a lot of YouTubers take breaks in January, because I've noticed a big difference. Like I had more views in January, but I made way less money than December. And then February, now it's starting to pick back up again. I'm starting to make more money. But no, nothing like December. December was definitely my best month. I mean, November to December. Like November was my best month, and December started off hot, but then the ad revenue dropped right after Christmas. I'll show you all the graphs. All right, the first graph I'm gonna show you is the last 28 days. Now you can notice back in January where it dips down kind of low. That was like all of January was kind of low like that. And then it kind of spikes up into February, and it's kind of staying about even now, but it's out of that dip from January. And also another thing is, a lot of the spikes on my views are shorts, and I don't really get paid for shorts views, because if somebody watches on your phone, you don't get paid for it. And then a lot of my shorts have music in the background, so of course it's copyrighted. But I just leave the music in there because I know I'm not gonna make that much ad revenue off shorts anyways. Shorts views you don't get paid for. They did start paying bonus out to people that get a lot of shorts views, but I'm nowhere near that. Like my top shorts is maybe right at 3,000 views. All right, now the next screenshot I'm going to show you, it shows exactly how much I've made on YouTube since I made it. So every month it's got it in there. If y'all want to add it up, whatever. I mean, It's not that much money. Like I said, you can see in November was my biggest month, and then you can see when January, where it dipped down, like end of December and beginning of January, the ad revenue was super low. Like I said, I got more views that month, but I didn't get paid near as much. And it all depends on what type of video you get and how long people actually watch your videos and watch the ads. And then also, you do get paid for YouTube Premium. I didn't know that at first, but you do get paid for YouTube Premium, but it's not that much money. Like, we're talking cents for a bunch of views. So the premium, you don't get paid that much, but you do get paid. At first I didn't think you got paid when people with YouTube Premium bought it, until I started getting paid. All right, now this next screenshot is my top videos for the last 28 days, and you can notice that there's a wrestling video at number 5, and I haven't made a wrestling video in 3 months. It's just the wrestling videos get views and views over time. That's why my top 5 videos are over 10,000 views, but they're wrestling videos, and they just, for some reason, like, people put them on their playlist, and they just keep collecting views over time. They're always my top videos every month. And I really wish Tony would start wrestling again, because those are definitely our best videos. Like I said, the ad revenue is low on it, but we get so many views that it just makes way more money than any of our other videos, because none of our other videos are coming close to the tens of thousands of views they get. I had one Mexican card game that was that kind of got, I think it's right at 5,000 views now, but like that's like a rarity. We have first tornado warning of the year last spring. It's got a couple thousand views, but other than that, it's mainly wrestling videos gets all our views. All right, now this next slideshow that I'm going to show you, or screenshot, whatever you want to call it, is my top videos lifetime. So it's the most money I made overall. Now, both the top 2 videos are wrestling videos where I got paid for every single view. So they're like at 11,000 to 13,000 views. They've made a little over $18. And then the other one is the one I have 34,000 views, but I told you I started getting paid like after it already had 20,000 views. So it's got 34,000. It's still top 3, and it's a video that I made almost 2 years ago, and it's in the top 3 of my earnings. Then you got the card game I'm talking about. Its ad revenue is a lot higher. I think because I use keywords like how to play Kien. That's the card game, Kien. But I think it's the tags and stuff in there, like how to do. So you get higher ad revenue for that. And then people watch it kind of curious, see how you actually play. But I didn't do a good job on the video. All I did was film them playing it in Mexico when I went down there. This is a new card game. They tried to teach me. I wasn't very good at it. I didn't understand it fully, but yeah. So that's my top 5 videos. You'll see them right here now. All right, now these next 2 clips, I'm going to show you screenshots. I wanted to break down how much I made with views all together. And like I said, the numbers are kind of skewed because I do a lot of shorts with the kids sports and stuff, with music in the background and stuff like that. I have done videos, full videos with music in the background, so I don't get paid for none of those ads. But so the numbers are kind of skewed, but the most I could go back without doing a full year is 90 days. So I just did the last 90 days. It's like 64,000 views, and then I'll show you how much money I made from them views. But like, if you see the spikes in the graphs, those are mainly shorts. They get a lot of views real quick and then die out. So I'll show you that now. So also in that last graph, you could see the spikes in money and stuff, but you could tell that was back in December. Like I said, for some reason we get more ad revenue. Well, I know why. People were trying to sell their stuff right before Christmas, so they're paying more money to get more ads out there, stuff like that. And then after it dies out for the last 3 months. So like I said, it all just depends. Nobody makes the same amount of money, but It all depends on the subjects you do. If you do like how to do videos, you're gonna make a lot of money. Or if you talk about like stocks, stuff like that, financial education, talking about money, they pay top ad revenue for those videos too. And then like for me, I just do what I love. I don't like, my kids' sports is the main thing on here. That's what I love. I'll never get burned out on it. So I'll just keep posting all my kids' sports videos. And as they grow up and all the training we do at home, I do coach them a lot, but I don't film the coaching because, you know, it's just us and all the other kids practicing, and I focus on practice. Like, I'm trying to get all these kids better, but at home workouts, I always film. Well, not always. There's a lot of times I don't film, or I'll just make a TikTok instead of a YouTube video, but yeah, they work out every day almost. They do push-ups and sit-ups almost every day. Sometimes I give them a break. Like Friday night, I didn't have them do it. Gave them the day off because we had basketball games Saturday morning, so I just wanted them to be well rested for the games. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you out a lot if you're trying to be a YouTuber, or if you're almost to being monetized, kind of figure out your money, what you're gonna make and all that stuff. And yeah, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe and slap a like on it. Makes the video more popular. Full watches make the video more popular, so you can get more and more ad revenue. So y'all have a good one. It was nice going over all my money with you. Yeah, hopefully the next couple years we can start making more and more money, and then I can spend more and more time with my kids instead of at a factory 11 hours a day, 6 days a week.